Hello and welcome to the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. Welcome once again, my people. Sit tight as you're about to be updated on what is going on in Nigeria. Note that here at Cubanas TV, we keep you updated on everything happening in every sector of Nigeria. From politics to religions to academics to business to sports, entertainment, music, movies, we keep you updated on everything going on in each sectors because we want you to be carried along in whatever is going on. So if you are yet to subscribe to the Cubanas TV, do well to click on the subscribe button now, right there in front of you, and be subscribed. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified whenever we make a post, because when you do, YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that the Cubanas TV has made a post, and that way you'll be able to follow through with our post for that day. Let's listen to the news headline for today. Since the state aircraft was under control of Wike'S, Fubara was meant to be a puppet, Tamuno Williams says. We bring you news from the politics sector today. Sit down and relax as we continue to give you full update on this headline. Don't let anybody drag you into politics. Senate President Akpabio cautions Davido Senate President. The President of the Senate, Senator Godswill Akpabio, has said that Nigeria has a shed. Tamuno Williams, a lawyer, discussed the conflict between Governor Fubara and the predecessor, former Governor Wike'S. According to Williams, Governor Fubara initially pledged to avoid dispute with Wike'S upon taking office. He claimed that during his first 6 months of Fubara's tenure, Wike'S maintained significant influence over the governors of River State. In a video at 15:02 shared by Channels TV, Williams said Governor Fubara's tenure, Wike'S maintained significant influence over the governors. He said Governor Fubara was not allowed to make key appointments, and the River State aircraft were under Wike'S control, making Fubara seem like a puppet. In Tamuno's Williams' word, in a recent video drop, he explained, saying even the state aircraft were under the control of former Governor Wike'S. The picture was that of Fubara was supposed to be meant to be a puppet. It was supposed to just be an occupier. In fact, what was expected was that Fubara's first term was an extension of the tenure of the governor of Wike'S. As we know that current happening has been a lot of things has been happening in the River State, as Governor Fubara and Wike'S has been having series of issues, because according to what is being said now, Wike'S was supposed to still be in power at least for the first 6 months of Fubara's inauguration. It is said that Fubara was supposed to be a puppet that can be used by Fubara. In fact, let me put it in the words. It says that it was supposed to just be an extension of Wike'S term, because according to what Wike'S wanted, he wanted full authority and full position of the government even while out of office. And that is the news for today. Let me know what you think about this news in the comment section. What are your thoughts? What are your observations? Let us know what you think about this news. Your opinion matters to us. We want to know your thought about this news. We want to know what your observations are. We want to know what your opinions are. So please comment below in the comment section your thoughts, your observation, and your opinions about this news. Don't forget that this is the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in Nigeria, in every sector, in Nigeria. So if you are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button right now, right there, so you can be subscribed to the Cubanas TV. Don't forget that it is important that you turn on your post notification so that whenever we make a post on YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that we've made a post, and in so doing you'll be updated and you'll be able to follow through. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and see you